Hi, in this video I'll show you how to add music in Canva video. In order to do that, we can head over and then just put right here and explore it. Click on this upload right here, click on this upload files, and you can also record yourself if you want. But if you already have a music to your liking, then you can head over and then use it as well. I have in here this music and then click on this open and then it will be uploaded right here onto my audio. So you can see in here the progress. So once you're done with the progress right here, the next thing you need to do is to just head over and then click on it in order to add it to your template. Click on it right here. As you can see, it's been added. Now you can also position it, like for example, if you want to start it at the start or if you want to start it at the second slide as well. So just continue with what you want and then from in there, just head over and then click on share right here and then download it as a video or an MP3. So that's how you add music in Canva video. Hope we help.